Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the Evo Equations show. Today I have something unique. I decided to commemorate the attack on the Twin Towers using the pictographic method of displaying math equations. And so here you can see I have something inside of this. It's kind of like a matrix within a matrix. It's actually a vector. And then I have an exponent here with these two other expressions. And I designed it in the shape of something that resembles the Twin Towers. And the idea is, and the exponent here is the smoke coming from the Twin Towers. So now that you can kind of see it, that's what happened. Mind you, the whole thing is represented using legitimate math elements. So obviously the exponent is at the top right corner. The exponent itself has another exponent, which even though in size is smaller, because it's a bigger equation or expression in there, it looks bigger. So it looks like an expanding cloud of smoke. This vector inside of the square bracket has, aside being just slightly elongated, it's fairly proportional. And each of these are matrices, which, because of the flat panels, we are asking to get the determinants of each of these matrices, which are then divided three ways. So this top one is divided by this one, which is divided by this one, and for the second component of the vector, this one is divided by this one and this one, which gives us the shape of a rectangular kind of a shape. And so the idea was to make this kind of twin tower shape. And we can see the little comma here, which basically separates the first component of the vector and the second component. All right, so for the two towers, I have basically the determinants work out to be 24, 16, and 6, and the top one's a little weird because I had to make 11. I kind of gave away the theme already. 3.6 repeating divided by 3 divided by 9. And once you divide these, you just get 911. So the idea is to get the number 911 as a vector, hence commemorating the events of September 11 of 2001. So in order to get exponent of 1, what happens here is the top expression reduces to 0, causing this little expression to reduce to 1. Anything to the exponent of 0 becomes 1, and this becomes 1. So this whole thing just kind of disappears into the clouds. And so this is the main structure of this this equation. Thank you for watching. September 11 was definitely a turning point in history and a very sad moment that had impact on our all of our lives in one way or another, and certainly did on mine when I was much younger, and it made me realize that the tough world we live in, and we can clearly see that this keeps we still live in a tough world. And anyways, I thought I would do this this math representation of that event in my unique numeric style of representing these kind of equations.